the LG V20 user here, and today I'm doing a video on the LG V35 ThinQ corporate wireless. So this is a new phone for corporate wireless. It got released yesterday, May 31st. That the V35 from LG is now available at Cricket for $349.99. So this phone came out last year globally. So this phone is last year's flag. So this is a slight update of the V30 from 2017. But nonetheless, the V35 is still a pretty capable phone today. So there it is, guys. The V35 ThinQ. This is a flagship phone. $349.99. Not too bad. You know, it looks very nice. It's available in the Aurora Black, and that's when it's available for this one. Perfect. So when you guys have unboxing camera that replace and stuff like that, you have to screen that. I do like the wallpaper, very nice. Here you have the rain button on the left side of the phone. On the left side, like I said, you have your volume buttons up and down on the left. On the back of the LG V35, there has a blue cameras, camera flash, power size, fingerprint sensor, V35 logo, and the LG logo on the back. So there's the phone there. It looks alright, you know. I'm surprised they quickly got this one. I'm surprised they got it. So, you know. And I don't know who gave this one on one side, but who gave this one on one side. I guess they not like the phone works. But that's why you got all see the one side's up there. So let's look at the LG V35, shall we? So it's like your life just got smarter. The LG V35 ThinQ has intelligence built into its core, Android powerful performance with premium aluminum accents wrapped into a sleek, sophisticated design, with award-winning LG display technology to the palm of your hand. Red Baby still movie and memory on the brilliant 6-inch OLED full vision screen and enhanced audio with DTSX virtual surround sound. Snap pictures with not one but two 16 megapixels rear cameras. Switch easily between the standard and wide angle lenses and capture every detail in high res, no matter what you're shooting. Enjoy plenty of room for all your apps, games, and photos and videos with up to 64 GB of storage and enrich your everyday experience with LG enhancements like LG Health, quick memory capture bars, and smart clamp network. And have peace of mind with the protection of Corning Gorilla Glass 4. Plus dust, shock, and water resistance. It can hold up to whatever your day brings. Thoughtful innovation inside and out, right? So the V35 is waterproof, so that's pretty good. So this does have a 6-inch display, OLED. It's an 18:9 screen. Has a Quad HD Plus display there. It has an octa-core processor, 16 GB RAM, 64 GB of storage, and 4G LTE. Snapdragon 845, I think it is. Snapdragon 845 or something. Two 16 megapixel rear cameras, 8 megapixel front facing camera, and 4K video on back. 64 GB of storage will support up to 2 TB micro SD card. Fingerprint and face recognition to keep your phone secure. 3,300 mAh battery plug on quick charge. IP68 dust and water resistant state. I think it's Qualcomm Quick Charge 3.0. Brilliant 6-inch display there, big and beautiful. Enjoy the LG V35 6-inch full vision HDR OLED display. Striking clarity, beautiful contrast, and spans the spectrum of vibrant, authentic color. And with the near edge-to-edge screen, you get extra room for watching movies browsing sites, multitasking, and gaming, plus the protection of corner guilt really lasts full. Alright? Dual 16 megapixel cameras. Two is better than one. Not one but two 16 megapixel cameras. Not one but two 16 megapixel red lenses. With these added pixels, you will capture mega detail, high-res photos, no matter what you're shooting in, standard or wide orientation. Capture picturesque landscapes, beautiful skyscrapers, or large shots like never before. Live photo also allows you to capture the moments just before and after you take the picture, so you can get moving shots that truly tell the story, audio and all. Alright? Great features, making life easier. Like I said, this is a flagship phone from last year, so not too bad. This smartphone is smarter than most. Google Lens identify text and real-life objects to instantly search Google for information. Reviews on the product or shop for the best price. Take selfies without budgeting with auto shot and gesture shot. Smart cleaning ensures that your phone is optimized and performing at its best. Plus, you can have peace of mind knowing the V35 is both dust and water resistant IP68 Alright. So the specs on this phone, it has Android 8.0 Oreo. It should be getting Pi very soon if it hasn't gotten Pi just yet. But it will get Pi at some point if it hasn't gotten it already. So the crypto version will come with 8.0 Oreo out of the box. So you keep it in mind, but it should get Pi soon if it hasn't gotten it already. The dimensions of the LG V40 is it's 5.97 inches height, 2.97 inches height, and 0.29 inches depth. It has a 6-inch body state plus OLED full vision display. It has 64 GB of storage with up to 2 TB micro SD card, and it has 6 GB of RAM. It has 4G LTE, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, Type C with Quick Charge 3.0. It has two 16 megapixel rear camera, standard angle lens, and a wide angle lens and 4K video on back. So both cameras on back are 16 megapixels with 4K video. One's a standard lens, one is a wide angle lens there. It also has an 8 megapixel wide angle camera with 4K video, which is interesting. If it does indeed record 4K video from the front camera, let me know if it does or not. It has an octa-core processor, Snapdragon 845, 3,300 mAh battery. It is handling compatible, and of course you have a qualifying monthly service plan to use this phone. And someone left that one size on this phone. Let's see what they have to say about it. It tells us. They don't tell us what the review is, but I don't know if someone gave it one star, I guess someone just trolling or something, but that's it. So, yeah, I don't know why someone gave this phone 1 stars, but it's interesting. So, there you guys have it. The LG V35 is now the bag cricket for $349.99. So, if you guys are looking to get a flagship phone on the cheap, the V35 is worth looking at. It has pretty good specs for what it is. This was a flagship phone last year from LG. This is a slight update over the V30, but it's still a good phone in 2019 to get. So if you guys are not looking to spend $5,000 on my phone, if $350 is your price range, the V35 is worth getting from Cricket. So yeah, I'm surprised that Cricket got this phone. I'm surprised they got it, but they have it is here. So yeah, so if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. If you guys are watching me on what, please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching that video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.